Yeah, what I'm gonna get me are these, but they back on it there, you know. So, me not really not too much long talking. All my other guys, I just showing everything what I want, you see me? Yeah man. So remember guys, like the video, share it out, leave a comment, subscribe if you're new, and also watch your ads guys. Don't know say that's how I make a revenue. Yeah man, so watch your ads. Yes, I'm showing what I want now. So yeah, look out for this. Outdoor cooking all the way. So I'm gonna peeps. Yeah man. Greater coconut, you know. Yeah man. No blender. But I know so when the grater it better for you, can get more tight than the blender. Yeah man. You want grater chili coconut?
Yeah.
You better my boy, come and grater out not even one.
There you go.
Straight blender.
We man out with faster.
You say well strong.
Yeah.
That's like a boy. Yeah man guys, I say go you know. Yeah man. And everybody use blender. I'm the person who can afford even blender, still use the blender same way, you know. Not the grater same way. And grater them coconut because them say when I grater it, they get more than when they blend it. You see me? Yeah. Nice plant here guys. Look up on the tree. Say tree fat and nice. Too nice sucker bus up same way, you know? Yeah man. Peeps, that video here I basically for sure like people overseas how people live in Jamaica were not really fortunate financially. I'm not say poor, is it because the body not poor, the body rich, the body rich in life, is me? Yeah. So my use the word there, but don't like for a bit, right? When people poor it can be very stressing because they don't know they can't buy what you want and you know have money like that, but it can also be fun also because you get to experiment with food and try different things because you don't know you maybe have a look at everything and you don't have money to buy what you want, so you just throw everything in a pot and cook it. You see me? And also you can go river, get janga, cook it in a coconut milk and all that, and the kids they will go outside and have fun more, you know. Play marble, go bush, shoot bird and all that. Yeah man. So I'm say when people not so fortunate, it can be fun and it can also be stressful at times, I must say. That's what I say. So leave it in the comments and tell me what you guys think. Yeah. soon done, man. I put it out now. So see what I'm going on here, guys. So they pretty much ready. Let's put them out. When June, they take them up, put inside. I'm say, this will show how Jamaica live in the country. Now have everything to them comfort, you know. Yeah, man. We just turn it and make fashion. Chubby na chubby. Kaya put on this on the fire.
No, man, I wait till I pack them the best.
Oh. And the first I cook man chubby. You're pretty man. See the guys see scale in it early in time everything, you know?
Right.
Mm-hmm. Yeah man guys, so I like to the chicken this, you know? Yeah man. Guys, anybody can fry chicken but with fire, you know? I'm look so me can do it. Yeah man. As long as I enter me a buy cutlass and bill me a buy, I don't want nobody to bill. The bill no lose.
I like, you know, you have been seen I like, and I have to.
Jeffy.
Water, no, the water in that feel actually. I think.
Yeah, one big man back when I look at you, no man.
If you are
When
here,
sun
look here.
you rice, when you know your rice, would have one look over him black spot on it. And then they clean out, man. Man, make sure you hold it clean. Yeah, man.
Uncle Aki not getting money today. Eh, you not getting money today. Eh?
I won't come back up. Yeah man guys, so as you see, rice 2 in a pot now, and when I see just stick a spoon in the milk rice, so basically to test the amount of water in it and to see if the amount of water in it can actually cook the rice. You see me? If the spoon stay up, you know, say oh, too much water in it. So it's a technique. Not much person do this technique, but yeah man, maybe sometime too. Yeah, so just watch our Gwaan. I'm say like the video, leave a comment, share it out, and subscribe if you want us. Yeah. Enough copyright music I play in the surrounding area. So if anything you go mute out somebody, clip them and put background music in it because enough music I play all about. So them want the rest of steam down, you know. I don't know. Stick fire, wood fire, yeah man. This cook the rice and peas nice guys because as you see the smoke, so the smoke will go under the pot cover and flavor the rice also. Yeah, rice and peas guys are very nice dish because you put enough different seasoning and herbs and spices in it, so it's very nice. So that rice come back with enough flavor. Because with butter in it, skeleton, thyme, garlic, pepper, season, like powder season and all that. Yeah man. So when you eat that rice and peas, it just bursts the flavors in your mouth. And you can also smell the coconut milk because tree coconut is no guys, so you know so you're rich and very nice. You can smell the coconut flavor. Mm. Yeah man guys, it's pretty and rich and nice. Yeah man. I'm gonna say you can smell the coconut flavor and all the herbs and spices. Rice and peas, bread, as I said before, come back with enough season. So you need to get those birds flavors in your mouth. When I eat rice and peas guys, and if you want no meat, no gravy.
Eh? Yeah, I use the washing brush, man. Like me, I use.
And machine, I can't buy a machine. Oh make, can't afford it, you just beat it in the machine.
I have to use the hand wash.
But that wash better than the machine.
The washing machine only wash the waist, the front of the pants, and the back.
Yeah man guys, so you see, okay with that make. Already. Hello sir, take a comment to Gwaan. Rice done steam, I see. Easy bag, make your rice steam good, you know? Yeah man.
So far, because when I game we played.
Yeah man guys, you see there? Rice and peas and fried chicken. Yeah man. Yeah man, so
Those are the, yeah.
taste what going on, I share long this quick and fast. Yeah man, so mm-hmm.
Okay, now.
Mm-hmm. Now this go come the rice together. Good. It's chicken. I fry nice. Yeah man. Bad. Yeah man, very nice man. Yeah man guys, that's what I go on there. Done. Food too nice, you know. Yeah man, rice, very nice. Can't taste the coconut milk in it. Just the like rice and peas. Can't eat it with nothing. No gravy, no meat. Just full of flavor. When I eat it, it was like a burst with flavors in your mouth. Yeah man, very nice. And chicken, perfectly done. Yeah man, so guys, like the video, share it out, leave a comment, and also subscribe when you and share it out. Yeah man, get that people know about me and about the channel. So let's go together. So guys, it's a real authentic Jamaican style of living, like we're living in the country, and as a partner have everything we want, the nice kitchen and this and that, it might just be outdoor cooking. But even though them have stove in the guys, them still do outdoor cooking sometimes, because I don't know say how wood fire or the coal cook the food sweeter. Yeah man, so I'll catch you now next video guys.